So today we're going to look at a tool called Frase. Okay, so they recommend here how content creators do SEO. So the title of this video is the best AI tool for, well, in my opinion, it's the best AI tool for outlining an article. Okay, I'll get into more about that later in the video. But let's have a look at what this tool does, right? So it's very similar to Surfer SEO. You might have heard of that one before. It gives you all of the scores, right? All the keywords that you should include in your article. So it claims to be research-based AI content you can trust. Okay, so this is the 4 steps that it goes through with Frase IO. So you go through the research first. So it's going to scrape the search engine results page and find you all of the best information relevant to the topic that you choose. Then create an outline, right? So this is one of the most important things, right? When using any AI tool is make sure that you go through the outline step, because otherwise it tends to get lost or it will repeat itself. And that's why a lot of people don't like using one-click writers, because they think, oh, it just keeps repeating itself and I have to delete this thing. Well, if you have a good outline, then you can do a good job, right? So all these things are not really one click. That's not really how AI works. AI is a tool, as everybody says, and that's true. You have to just keep, editing and putting your own touch on it and use the tool correctly. So another cool feature of this is that they can write the article for you. Okay, so that's, that's amazing, right? It's like a first draft article, and then they also optimize the article for you. I'm not really a big believer in optimization because I think Google doesn't really like when people try to optimize too much. But on saying that, I always think you should try to include as many what are called LSI keywords, right? That's just a fancy name for like all different related keywords. So just you should be thinking about, oh, if this is about cats, then I need to talk about whatever the next relevant topics about cats. Okay, so let's actually go through an article now so you can see better how this tool works. So once you sign up for your account, and I'll leave a discount code and a link in the first comment down there, you can sign up. So you come to this page here and you just type in your keyword, right? So I'm going to do Minimax versus Kling AI and create a document about this and do my research and outline my article. So as you can see, I can do my research here. Just start here. This is what I want to do. So this will be quite interesting because these are very new tools, right? Minimax is only a week or two old. So let's see what we get. So now we can see in our research parts, right? So these are all different websites and YouTube and Medium and all these articles. And what you have here is all their headings. Their H1s, their H2, H3. So you can see how the article might be organized, right? So this might be important, right, to this particular article. And then we can create our own outline, right? So what we can just do here is generate headings with AI. So it's going to take, the best out of these research and then create our own headings. So now we have our 30 headings. So that was pretty fast, right? And we can decide which ones we want to do, which ones we don't. All right. It's still best to do, articles based on what you know about. For me, for example, I have another video on my channel about Minimax and I've tested Kling AI. So I know a little bit about these topics already. It's not really that easy, when you want to write something that you've no idea about. So I'm going to get rid of this section here. That's fine. Okay, and just for the purposes of this video, we'll just go with this, right? Normally I would probably go through and check all these out, but yeah, cost effectiveness probably isn't the best one for Minimax because it's free to use. But yeah, okay, they're going to write about that, right? So that's what we do. So now we have our outline of our article. We can choose either to use their AI article wizard, right? Basically, they're going to write the whole article for us, or we can copy it into our one-click writer of choice. It could be Koala Writer or Journalist AI or one of these really good tools as well. So there's also a tool where you can edit here. So you can just click the / here or press space here. So you can continue writing after you have your article done and, add a list of questions, all the extra little parts that you might need for your article, right? So blog titles, your article writer, everything you might need to do for your article so that you can edit and get a better quality article. So there's also over here the optimize. So this is where you add in the extra keywords that I was talking about earlier and the links. If you want to link out to different websites, then you can just add the links here. So super handy if you want to just, if you're editing a blog article and you want to get the best one possible. So for me, the best feature of this is really this outline part, right? Because otherwise you have to go through and read all the different articles that come up at the top of Google, right? And that just takes ages, right? It is still good to look at them, right? So you can kind of get an idea. It's like, oh, this is a good article for here, but could be improved here, right? There's always that human touch. But if you're in a hurry and you just want to see, okay, this is my article, right? And then you edit. That's always the best way to do it, right? In my opinion, is get that first draft with AI and then go at it and try and edit it and make it better and better and better. Okay, that's it for this video. If you do want to sign up in the first comment down below. I'll also leave a code for you there. Thanks for watching.